Look, we're at the show, but there's been a couple of things sent to us, or a thing sent to us to show you. Guys from Hobbies Australia, or the supplier, has sent us down a sample of the new Academy 1/35th scale MD500 IDF. This is, from what I've been told, is a brand new tool kit, so this would be quite interesting. So let's have a look. So we get the usual instructions. So it's pretty straightforward. Looks quite nice. What you expect from Academy, so there's not too much bits and pieces. Looks like it's not a lot. Oh, there you go. There you go. Now you do get a mask set in this too, which is very handy because this is a very, very rounded windows and things like that. But, so let's have a look. So here's the clear parts. This is probably the most important part of the kit because it's all glass at the front. So there's lots and lots in there. All the main frames. So that's very cool. This looks like, oh, this is part of the rotor head and looks like part of the cockpit area. So it's all molded in the sandy color of the kit. So if you don't want to undercoat it, you can just paint straight onto it and have the same color. So there's your rotor blades, all nicely detailed on the rotor blades. So that's pretty cool. What else have we got? This looks to be, oh, this is part of the weapons, or no, this is gear doors and things, or doors and things like that. So that looks pretty cool. Nice detail. There's lots of rivets and things like that where they're supposed to be and things like that from what I've seen. So that's quite nice. This is your main body shell. It's all riveted, so, which is probably true to the nature of the aircraft. These are all the bulkheads, tail parts. There's your cockpit. That looks quite nice. Some nice detail in there, and we're going to add to that. What else have we got through here? So that's quite a nice kit. Yeah, nicely done. As I said, this is all new tool, so it's really, you can't really feel it, but the rivets there are quite prominent. So by the time you put paint over it, they'll be just the right level, I think. Being 35th scale, you want to have that detail to make sure it sits out nicely. So that's pretty cool. What else we got? Oh, here you go. We've got a bit of etch metal. Little decal sheet, and that's a mask set behind it. And then you've got the usual bits and pieces that they put in. So this is due out, I believe it's July, late July this year. I believe they're going to get this down. Looks a really, really nice kit. And if you, because, and the other thing is, so many people seem to be going to be doing versions of this kit. We've got one from, I think it's AMP or something or other, the early ones, but such a lovely kit. As I said, it looks good. The couple of reviews I've read say it's quite nice, but I'll wait till see a few more. But I'm sure they're going to do other versions of this. They probably do the ones from Black Hawk Down and all the rest of it. Depends on how much they've got to change to do those helicopters. But first up, IDF. So there you go. But other than that, it's the end of the show. We're going to get out of here. Have a great night, and we'll see you tomorrow.